You want to help people with their careers. You're looking for a reputable career coaching certificate and you want to get it done in a year and not have to spend 5 figures to complete it. Well, I think I have an answer for you. What I suggest is consider joining over 7,000 people we've trained worldwide through our Career Development Network. Our program is ICF approved. The International Coach Federation has looked at us and approves our training program. We do it within 3 days of live face-to-face work, and you do some pre-work and you also do some follow-up phone call work with us. It's all built around the Knowdell 4-step model which we would teach you. But also, we think that our training is pretty exceptional because we start with kind of a case study approach. We do lots of role plays and we practice the tools we're going to be giving you to take home to use. We put you in trios so that you give each other peer-to-peer feedback because we know that's probably the best way we learn. And we also have you lead with video tutorials so you can go back and study in your own time. We also know that you want some takeaways. So you're going to leave with 4 significant card sorts that the Knowdell process provides. You'll also leave with a profile called the Career Development and Job Search Profile, because within that you build kind of a sketch of your clients, but also build in a task analysis to make them accountable, which we know often doesn't happen in coaching. You'll learn some really current tips, tools, and techniques. I think we're probably on top of the market as well as anyone in what is being developed, and some of the things I think you'll find are quite disruptive in the industry. You'll also leave with a free journal and electronic newsletter. And we have these learning community call-ins that allow you to kind of think through what you've learned and ask us questions. But that's not all. We have this really cool bonus. And the bonus is if you're willing to learn more about us and click below and register, I give you a personal guarantee that if you're not satisfied, I'll give you a full tuition reimbursement. So please check us out. I hope you'll join us and I look forward to seeing you soon.